Hello everyone, welcome to the Unplanned Way. Today we'll be taking you on a tour of the most famous waterfall in the world, the Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls, known since the late 1880s as the honeymoon capital of the world for its romantic grandiosity, is often cited as the world's eighth wonder. The magnificent falls draws more than 12 million visitors a year for its breathtaking views and sheer grandness of its magnitude. Niagara Falls started forming around 12,000 years ago from a glacier activity. About 28 million liters of water travel down the Niagara Falls every second. It is thought to be the world's fastest moving waterfall. The Niagara River forms the border between Canada and the United States. Niagara Falls is comprised of three waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. The largest of them is Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls. The other two belong to the United States. There are boats run by both countries which take you nearly under the waterfall. You should make your visit to the falls early in the morning to enjoy a magical moment yourself before the crowds start to arrive. You can book a 20-minute tour on one of the boats that take you to the foot of Horseshoe Falls to truly feel the raw power of nature, but be ready to get wet. Hornblower Niagara Cruises and the Maid of the Mist are the popular companies which offer this thrilling trip. Every evening, beginning at dusk, Niagara Falls is transformed into an incredible multicolored water and light masterpiece. These lights work to create a breathtaking view not to be missed. The Whirlpool Aero car is an antique cable car since 1916 suspended above the Whirlpool Rapids. You can take a 10-minute trip over this portion of the Niagara River for a unique view of the powerful current swirling around in a massive whirlpool below. Part of the attraction of the town of Niagara Falls is the festive atmosphere. A walk down Clifton Hill, also known as Niagara Street of Fun, will take you past the Niagara Skywheel, the Niagara Speedway, restaurants, and family-oriented attractions. The Niagara Skywheel is the largest observation wheel in Canada, soaring 175 feet above the awe-inspiring Niagara Falls, and is part of the Clifton Hill Amusement Park. A ride on the wheel lasts about 10 minutes. Niagara Falls has no shortage of cool joints where you can enjoy a hearty meal. You'll find shops selling ice cream, cotton candy, fudge, and other treats as well. Ripley's Believe It or Not in Niagara Falls is one of the most popular man-made attractions in town. A stroll away from the Ferris wheel, it opens your eyes to hundreds of bizarre exhibits. There is a bridge near the waterfall that connects both countries, Canada and the United States. The Niagara Falls State Park is the oldest state park in America, established in 1885. Over 8 million visitors explore Niagara Falls State Park annually. Did you know the Niagara Falls provides about 20% of the United States drinking water? Maid of the Mist is the longest running boat tour of the falls from the United States. It operates from April through November and tickets are purchased in the State Parks Visitor Center. The 30-minute tour visits both American Falls and Horseshoe Falls, riding up close to the base where hundreds of thousands of gallons of water crash down each second. It is an unforgettable experience. Niagara Falls is famed for its beauty and is a valuable source of hydroelectric power. It produces large amounts of electricity, and its first hydroelectric station was built on the Niagara River in 1881. Fifty to 75% of the water flowing along the Niagara River is diverted from going over the falls to hydroelectric power generating stations. Three miles below the American Falls, the river rushes through a tight passage in the Niagara Gorge, then churns in a giant whirlpool. This is the Whirlpool Rapids Bridge, a popular way to view the falls from above, spanning the Niagara River between the United States and Canada. We hope you enjoyed watching the breathtaking views of the Niagara Falls from Canada and the United States and learned something new. Share with us in the comments below. We will see you in our next video soon.